You, your dog, your cat, they have acute back pain? These are my top remedies to provide pain relief now. Are you looking to learn more about natural pet health and wellness? You've come to the right place. Click the link to subscribe to Veterinary Secrets. So I was at the gym, just so happened I chose to lift a weight a little bit too heavy. Felt a bit of a twinge in my back. What did I do? Nothing. Choose to do more physical activities. I went running, I went skiing. Now I really got a rigged up back. Surprisingly, this commonly happens in our dogs. It also happens in our cats. I'm just showing you the most effective I've been using for myself, and these same remedies can also be used on your dogs and your cats. The most common presenting sign with a dog or cat with a back injury would be a client saying, my pet, they're just really reluctant to move and they seem kind of uncomfortable. They just seem off. Often they seem sort of hunched up or hunched over. Often we'll call it guarded, where they're trying to protect that injury. You're probably going to find they don't want to jump up onto the couch or the chair. The most common area I found where pets injure their backs was the LS area. So that's the lower lumbar, the lower part of the back. And when we're talking about the LS area, that's just above the tail base. And if your dog is showing neurologic signs in terms of being unable to walk, not urinating, defecating normally, you need to go in and see your veterinarian as soon as possible. You may be dealing with a disc prolapse. Your dog might need surgery. But if we're just dealing with a dog or a cat that is uncomfortable, they're still walking around, eating, drinking, they're just seeming like really like something's not right, likely we're dealing with pain, and let's see if we can manage that pain naturally. So number one, and this has been my go-to, the cannabinoids, both orally and topically. This is Dr. Jones's Ultimate CBD for dogs and cats. This is New Leaf Naturals multi-cannabinoid product. It includes CBD, CBC, CBG, and CBN. The cannabinoids, they have some great anti-inflammatory and pain-killing properties. No question, the number one studied one proven to be most effective is CBD. So number one, I've been using CBD cannabidiol orally at doses of 3 milligrams per 10 pounds twice daily, and that would be the dose you would give to a dog or cat. 3 milligrams per 10 pounds of body weight twice a day. Then also the New Leaf multi-cannabinoid product, it's got some of the other medicinal cannabinoids which has also been shown to be beneficial for pain and inflammation. And that's what I'm trying to take down. So I've also been taking this as well at doses of 30 milligrams daily. And this multi-cannabinoid product could also be given to your dog or cat. Number two, topical treatment. I've been using this, liquid DMSO, CBD topically. So if your dog had a back injury, number one, you could topically put on some of the CBD, just drip it on in between your dog's fur over top of the area of your dog's affected spine. So if it is the lower lumbar here, and then to increase the absorption, increase the effectiveness, and then as well, also provide additional pain relief, you're gonna be using the DMSO. So then I've been doing exactly this to my spine. Within about 5 minutes, I'm starting to feel some really effective pain relief. So this is a great option topically. The liquid DMSO along with topical CBD. Because it's a muscle and spasm, you need something more than pain. You need some form of muscle relaxant. And number three, this is OTC Robaxin. The name of the drug is methocarbamol. It's safe to use on people, dogs, and cats. The Robaxin, not Robaxacet. Robaxin is just the muscle relaxant. You need to ensure that it's not Robaxacet or some of the other combinations of Robaxin in combination with ibuprofen, sometimes in combination with acetaminophen. It's not safe to be giving any of those anti-inflammatories. Ibuprofen is not safe for dogs, and you cannot give any of those anti-inflammatories to a cat. The dog Robaxin dose, it is 20 milligrams per kilo 3 times a day. Tula, she's about 10 kilos, she's about 22 pounds. So she'd be getting about 200 milligrams 3 times a day. This is a 750 milligram tablet. That would be a third of the tablet 3 times a day. I wanted to get myself off the Robaxin, so I've now gone onto the Valerian. I found it wasn't working quite as fast as the Robaxin, maybe not quite as like, oh wow, super muscle relaxed, but definitely my muscles felt relaxed. So I can say from personal experience that yes, this was being helpful. A standard dog dose is the Valerian tincture for a dog who's got a back spasm. We're looking at a half a mil of the tincture per 20 pounds of body weight 3 times a day. That means Tula, she would be getting about a half of that dropper full here. Another natural muscle relaxant, also to help for sleep. I've been taking this, the Super Safe Mineral. This is magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is also very safe for dogs and cats, and it's shown to be a proven muscle relaxant. So it's really important. If you've got a dog or cat with a back spasm, get them on some magnesium. I prefer the magnesium glycinate. It's better absorbed, less GI signs, i.e. less chances of diarrhea. A pretty safe dose, 2 milligrams per pound. We're gonna do that twice a day. Tool is about 20 pounds, you'd be getting 20 milligrams twice a day. Then the last remedy, which is really important to be considered giving if you've got a dog or cat in pain, especially with a back injury. So one, something is gonna help them sleep. Something also is gonna decrease those pain sensations, interrupt that pain cycle. There's a bunch of new studies out showing how it can be really beneficial for pain. It's modulating some of those pathways that play a role in pain and inflammation. So my own experience is the first couple of nights, there was no melatonin. The next couple nights, there was melatonin. Not only did I sleep better, I've woken up more comfortable. So I can attest to melatonin. Standard melatonin dose for dogs and cats, 1 milligram per 10 pounds of body weight. You want to give that 1 hour before bedtime. Thanks so much for watching this edition of Veterinary Secrets of my back pain remedies that are safe and effective for dogs and cats. Click up there to subscribe, hit the bell to sign up for notifications, and when you click that link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.